Hello, and welcome to the Acronis webcasts. The setup of Acronis Backup and Recovery Advanced Server is very easy. After having purchased or downloaded the trial version of our solution, double-click on the setup file. Click on Install the Acronis License Server. The Acronis License Server allows you to manage all your Acronis Backup and Recovery licenses on your network from a central location. Click on Next. Accept the license agreement. You can specify a text file containing all your license keys here. These will immediately be added to the license server upon installation. We will install the license keys at a later stage. Click on Next to continue. On this screen, we can change the location to install to. We will accept the default locations and then click Next to continue. Once the installation of the license server has been completed, start the license server and import your keys immediately. If the license server has been locally installed, click on Manage Licenses on the local machine. Click on Manage the available licenses, and then click on Add a license from the task menu on the left. You can manually enter your licenses or specify a text file which contains them. Click on Import the license keys from a file, and then click Browse. Browse down to your license file, select it, and then click on it to open. Click Next to continue, and then click Proceed to import your licenses. All of your licenses are now imported and ready to be used. So let's go ahead and close the license server and then proceed to the full installation of the solution. Click on Install Acronis Backup and Recovery 10. Accept the license agreement, and then specify the name or IP address of the license server and click on Next to continue. Choose which type of license you wish to install on this machine. You now have the choice between three options. Only install the Acronis agent on the machine, install the components of the centralized management console, or install all the components. In our example, we will choose the third option. The components are automatically selected. Please note that only the installation of the Windows agent, universal restore options, and deduplication uses licenses. The installation of all the management components, like the Acronis management server, the console, or the storage node, is unlimited. Click on Next. Choose the setup directory. By default, the installation of the solution will create a dedicated Acronis user with rights for the services needed for the solution to be up and running. You can also customize and specify them on the screen. When installing on a network, make sure that ports 445 and 25001 are open for TCP. Once network installation is complete, Acronis uses TCP ports 9876 and 9877 for operation. So you can go ahead and open up those ports as well. The centralized management of the machines of our solutions requires a Microsoft SQL 2005 or 2008 database. The installation of a 2005 SQL Express database is suggested by default. However, if you already have a database, it is possible to create a new instance on it. When an Acronis backup agent is installed on a machine, it is not automatically added to your Acronis management server. If you wish, the machines can be automatically added during the installation process. However, you can add them after. If you wish the machines to be automatically added to your management server, then please specify the necessary user rights. Indicate which users can access this machine remotely and then click on Next. Click on Install. With this type of installation, we will be able to manage all the machines in a network from a central location. The possibility to install components on several dedicated machines makes it possible to address more complex network architectures and a greater number of machines. And that's it. Your server is now protected with Acronis Backup and Recovery technology. Thank you.